Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can watch offline on YouTube Kids. So did you know that you can easily download videos directly onto the YouTube Kids app for offline viewing? So this will be perfect for long car rides, flights, or keeping the kids entertained when the internet is out. So what you need to do is just open the YouTube Kids application first and choose the videos that you want to watch offline. But you need to know that not all videos are available to download. Let's try this one in here. Okay, so this one, it can be downloaded. Let's see if other cannot be downloaded. Okay, I think can be downloaded, but some of the video cannot be downloaded, so you can just choose carefully. So let's say I'm going to download this videos right here. You can just tap on the three dots icon under the video that you want to and click on download video. Now to find the downloaded videos, you can just go to your stuff in here in the bottom and click on the downloads tab at the top, and you'll see the videos, the downloaded videos that you can watch offline. So guys, that's how you can keep your kids entertained when there's no Wi-Fi. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give me a like, leave a comment, and also subscribe and click on thanks. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.